recording.
Hey, happy Friday, y'all. It is 12:20 on a Friday afternoon. It is currently 86 degrees along the lake. Almost to Deals Gap. I'm here to tell you, it's hot. It's hot, it's humid, it's annoying. These leathers are sticky on me. I am moist. And there has been no shortage of motorcycles out today. I will tell you that right now. But I'm worn out. I've been sitting on this bike for a minute anyway. I've been sitting on this bike for 89 miles so far. And I could use a break and a Dr. Pepper. Boop. There has been no shortage of Groms out here. I don't know which there's more of, Groms or Porsches out today. I will tell you, I am not getting on a motorcycle tomorrow. Everybody's got a Grom today. Not me. I'm not really interested. I'm 5'10" and I'm old. I don't want to be folding myself up onto a Grom to ride it. Some days it hurts to ride a Ducati 848. Why does there have to be so many cameras on this road? I don't think you're supposed to park there. Let's hope this video is uneventful. Like no exotic sports cars up the side of the mountain. No crashes. No Harleys resting on trees. Woo! Highway patrol. Highway patrol. My radar detector didn't go off, so he must be headed to lunch. telling you, there is no shortage of mini bikes out here. I hope that was the only highway patrol out here. I'm hoping that was the only law. There's another one. Alright, who used the first pull-off? The Mazda? Oh, they did. Oh, my Porsche. It's sad to see an older one on the slide.